Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The link is down under there somewhere. That way you get notified when we make new videos. And that's build videos when you get the time, reviews, and also the odd competition or free giveaways we have now and again. Today we're going to talk about a new decal sheet or decal set from DXM. This is on the 1/72 F-15J and DJs. Okay, so I thought I'd start off this video with a bit of footage of the real thing. This is one of the three options in this set, and to be honest, it's probably what I think is the best of the three. It's the one with the big decals across the back. Anyway, looking at this, you can have a close-up of the aircraft on both sides itself, and you get a real close-up at the end showing you what the paint scheme looks like. It's not just one uniform grey. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get in the bag. 1/72 scale covers an F-15J and DJ from the 201st Fighter Squadron Air Show and their 30th anniversary. Obviously 3 decal options, printed by Cartograph. The model or the item number is 817120. It covers these 3 aircraft, 2 15Js, 1 DJ, one from 2012, the sort of air show, and 2 from their 30th anniversary in 2015 from the 201st Fighter Squadron. So let's open it up, have a look-see. Usual DXM resealable bag with plenty of space inside it to get everything out. That little decal sheet is not playing ball. So let's have a look at the instructions first. So we have 2 sheets of paper. The first one, there's our cover we've gone through already. Top and bottom views, and the top view of the one that has the big decals on it. That's the bottom one here, the DJ. As you can see, painting schemes are called out in Mr. Colour, Humbrol, and the Federal Standard numbers are there as well. Basically, we've got fuselage panel numbers are the yellow lines. These lines here pointing to the decals. Red ones are stencils that go for everything, and the black ones are for the special paint schemes. So what we obviously have to put them on in the right order. Obviously special scheme first, which is here. So basically there's all the left and right decals will give you, or left and right views will give you where most of the special scheme decals are going. And there's a few other bits on here as well, a few stencils going in. So that seems quite straightforward. So then you'd put those on first, and then you can start going up with the stencils. There's a note here that option 2 does not use stencils B22 and C20. Quite where they are in here, I'm not going to start digging them out. There is a lot of decals in here, a lot of small stencils to go in. And this sheet is basically the same as again. That's glossy paper. This is just sort of normal paper. And this one is mostly, I think, panel numbers. There's the port and side view again. If you need it, it's already given, but the painting schemes with the 2 colours used. And on this side, you've got a top view. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to work with. So let's have a look here. There's the small decal sheet. I'll put that up on the screen. It's used on the fuel tank for option 3, the one with the black rudders. And then looking at the big decal sheet, This one basically covers everything. There's lots, as I said, it's done by Cartograph, so not anticipating any problems. Their stuff is usually top-notch. Well, I've always found it to be top-notch anyway. Backing film is minimal. The only place I can see backing film is on some the bigger decals where you got little bits that need to sort of line up with each other. And as I said, there is a whole heap of small decals, stencils, panel numbers, things like that. You will spend most of your time putting those on rather than the big decals themselves. So it's an easy way if F-15Js and DJs are your thing. There's basically 3 good schemes in here. You only get the stencils and the other smaller decals for one aircraft. So if you want to do more than one, you'd have to use the stencils from the kit you're building. But it's an easy way to get 3 good decal options here. Those 3 would look really nice, sort of sat on a shelf together. So all in all, it's a really nice decal scheme option. 3 nice options that will stand out. As before, I've put a link underneath this video so you can see a link to DXM's shop if you're interested in getting a set. Many thanks to DXM for sending it along for us to have a look at.